So around the beginning of April, I planted 4 tiny sweet potato plants, and 6 months later we actually have quite an overgrowth here. So around mid-October we're going to go ahead and harvest the sweet potatoes. I started off and pulling up a couple of them. I realized I was doing it wrong, so we're going to try a different approach and see if we can harvest all these potatoes. Since potatoes are a vining plant, what I'm going to do is pull all the vines back so I can find where they're actually growing down into the ground. Then we can pull our potatoes out. We actually have them in a slightly raised bed. We planted them with some garden soil and mushroom compost. I found a good piece of the plant that's in the ground, so we're going to pull it up and see what comes out. Here's a small one right here. I'm not sure what these little bugs are, but I have seen them on the potato plant pretty much throughout the summer. They seem to nibble on the leaves some. I don't really think they're causing too much damage. There's a baby lizard hanging out with us. Here's one. Little guy. There we go. Nice big one here. They're actually pretty small considering they've been in the ground for about 6 months. Part of that may just be because of the sandy soil that we have here in Central Florida. It kind of packs down really tight when it rains and probably constricts the growth of the sweet potatoes. Another small one here. Oh, here's one we left behind. This one's very small, so we'll probably replant him. We're going to dig around and see if we missed any. One little guy here. I got another one. These sweet potatoes actually kind of took over the rest of my garden, so we kind of let them do their thing to see what might happen. There we go. Another one right here. Lots of little tiny roots as well. Oh, check this out. She broke in half here. Oh, check that out. There's actually one big potato there. A few that got left behind from our attempts to pull them up with the vine. Another one. Here are a couple more. And as always in Florida, we come across some nature. This is a lizard egg. Not 100% sure if anyone's home. Feels like it. Feels like there's something in it. We got a pretty decent haul from our sweet potatoes. The next step is going to be to cure these for a couple of weeks in a cool, dark place. Then we'll have to figure out how we're going to eat them. Well, we got a pretty decent haul from our sweet potatoes. Our next step is to cure these in a cool, dark place. Actually, we'll just do a zoom in shot on like a platter or something.